All right, Gary, let's go cruising in this really awesome 1989 Porsche Carrera Targa.
Oh yeah, last year of this body style.
Yep, these are great cars, super collectible,
Yep,
going up in value. Yep, going up in value, and some of the most reliable ones too. They're really basic. I mean, you don't have power steering, you don't have analog brakes, you don't have airbags. Right. It's just like a little slot car.
It's like, I was gonna say, it was just like a fun little hobby car, man.
Yep, as you know, Gary and I both have owned these, and you know, joined the Porsche Club, and it's just a lot of fun. And I wish they weren't so expensive now, but you know, the good thing is they're hanging on in value and going up, so it's something you can have fun with and have a little investment at the same time.
Yeah, this one drives, feels real good. You know, it's only 113,000 miles on it.
That's a baby. Like yeah, that's a baby for an 89, and it's got the G50 5-speed transmission with a hydraulic clutch. This one's got the 7 and 8 inch Fuchs alloys on there. Those are collectible even. Even the wheels are collectible nowadays.
Stock Blaupunkt.
Yep, original stereo, no cracks in the dash, beautiful paint. I think most of it's original paint. A couple touch-ups in the front, I think, from stone chips over the years, but no accidents, clean Carfax. All the stickers are in the door jambs where they're supposed to be, all the VIN panels, option code stickers. And it just runs great. Past California emissions. You might not be in California, it might not mean much to you, but here it's kind of a big thing.
Oh, you know? No, you know, these older cars, you know, some of the ones have problems, and this one is, it runs really clean.
A lot of people like to modify them, and I'm cool with that. I've modified mine, but this one's bone stock throughout, and that's what a lot of people like. It even has the air pump up front for the spare tire, and the factory toolkit, and a stack of records.
Oh yeah, it drives great.
All right, we'll take some pictures up here.
All right, check out this nice 1989 Porsche Carrera Targa. Yeah, we sold this to the previous owner about 10 years ago. They put about 3,000 miles on it, you know, just a fun weekend type car. This one's got the 3.2 liter engine, super reliable, pretty much bulletproof. Got the G50 tranny with a hydraulic clutch. You know, that's a nice upgrade that everybody seems to like. I've driven them with a regular, you know, the regular trans before that, the 915, and that was fine too to me, but some people like the G50s better, and that's fine. It's a good tranny. It's got 7 and 8 inch there, Fuchs on there, polished. Look really great. Paint job looks really good on this one. Nice gray color there. These are great cars. I had one for a long time. Fun to drive, simple to work on. You know, they're just they don't have any of the fancy computer stuff on there, so you know, it's just your basic. I mean, it's like a slot car. There's the interior here. Got your Blaupunkt factory AC controls. You got your dash here. It looks really nice. Only 113,000 miles on this thing, which is nothing for these engines. They'll go 300,000 miles with normal maintenance. You know, a lot of technology behind this car for its time. Dash is in great shape. You can see that there. No cracks, anything like that. Targa top looks really good. That's a great car. Yeah, lots of fun. Yeah, that's one of these cars, when they come in, I go, oh man, I should buy this for myself, you know. And they've gone up in value, obviously. And pretty nice cars. And I think, you know, I mean, I used to get a lot of fun out of mine. And I think, you know, they call us, you know, smiles per miles, man. This car will do it. We're going to show you the engine and run it for you and let you listen. All right, there's the power plant on the Porsche. I'm in the back of the car now. Amazing. 3.2 liter, bulletproof, man. These cars are super reliable. You know, they got a little maintenance every 15,000 miles, adjust the valves, you know, little things like that, change the filter. I mean, these cars are fantastic. This one's got like a G50 tranny, like I said in there, 5-speed. You can see it's got the rotary air compressor on there, and fuel injection, of course. And I mean, these cars are just fun. I mean, you can see here, this one's got all original stickers in the back. That's a good sign, you know, that it hasn't been all painted back here. Here's your admission sticker over there. And so we're going to go ahead and crank this up and let you listen to it. Yeah, that great Porsche sound. Yeah, yeah, I love that sound. You can only share one coming down the street. If you're a car guy, man, you know, oh, that's a Porsche. You know, so we're gonna have this one here available. And we're in California Cars, and we're located in Simi Valley. And our phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to me, Gary, or you can speak to Rich over there resting in the car. And we'd be more than happy to show you this car. It's fantastic. I mean, it looks great. And if you're kind of wanting that classic Porsche, this is it. After this, 1990, the body style changes. So last year of this body style. All right, thanks for watching.